RAKSHITHA S. Completed my BA in Vikas Institute of Engineering and Technology, Mysore in the year of 2023 under the stream of Electrical and Electronics. I joined Qspiders in the month of June and I got placed in the month of October. The company called Redbus with a package of 3.3 LPA, and my designation as application support engineer trainee, and I like to join a Qspiders because they give here the well-trained trainers are there, and the HRs are very supportive. So being a student of a non-CS background, I will join Qspider with a hope to get into IT field. I think this Qspiders helps me a lot to get in a IT field. Thank you.